Ashutosh Kumar Singh. I am here to start our next topic. Next topic is the inverse of the matrices. How we can find the inverse of the matrix using the determinants methods. Now, first question is here. Find the inverse of the matrices if it is exist. Now, last class I have to discuss about that. When the matrix will be exist. If the matrix is non-singular matrix, then we can say that it is exist. And when it is singular matrix, then we can say that it is not exist. Non-singular, it means the value of determinant is not equal to 0. Singular, it means the value of determinant is equal to 0. Now first of all we have to check the value of the determinant. Value of the determinant. First question. Now find the inverse of the matrices if it is exist. If given in exercise 5 to 11, exercise is there. Now in exercise question number 5 to 11, last exercise I have to start question number first and third. Now here 5 is here. The matrices of A is equal to 2, minus 2, 4 and 3. Now first of all we have to check the matrices, determinant of A is equal to this matrices we write in determinant form, and the value of determinant is equal to 2 into 3, it means 6, minus 4 into minus 2, minus 8. 6 minus 8, it means plus 8. 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. 14 is not equal to 0. So we can say that the matrix is exist. If it is exist, then we can find the inverse of the matrix by using the determinant method. Now, for finding the inverse of the matrices using determinant method, first of all we have to find the cofactor of the matrix. Now cofactor of the matrix A. For cofactor, this is the 2 cross 2 matrix. 4 cofactor is there: A11, A12, A21 and A22. Find the 4 cofactor. A11. Now the value of cofactor Aij is equal to minus 1 to the power I plus j into M11. This is the cofactor. Aij hai, it means I into j. Now A11, it means first row and first column we have to close. First row and first column. What will be the value of M1? 3. So we have to write here 3. And minus 1 to the power I plus j, it means 1 plus 1. Now second one A12, first row second column is here. Minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 into 4. Now second row first column. Second row and first column we have to close. Minus 2 is here. Minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 into minus 2. Now second row and second column is here. Now what will be the value of this one? 2. So A22 is equal to minus 1 to the power. Here we have to write 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 4. So positive value is there. So 2 will come. Now after that 3, minus 4, 2 and 2 is the cofactors. So we have to write the cofactor of the matrix. A is equal to A11 is 3, A12 is minus 4, A21 is 2 and A22 is minus 1. This the value of the cofactor. Now adjoint of the matrices. A is equal to transpose of the cofactor of the matrices A. This is the cofactor of matrices A. What will be the transpose? 3 minus 4 right in the R1. So we have to write in column C1. 3 minus 4. 2 in R2. We have to write in C2. 2 2. So this is the adjoint of the matrix A. We have to show this one like this, adjoint of A. Now inverse formula is here. A inverse is equal to adjoint of A upon determinant of A. So here adjoint of A 3, 2, minus 4, 2 here upon determinant A. Determinant A is 14 is here upon 14. So we have to write 1 by 14. This is the 3, 2, minus 4 and 2. This is the inverse of the matrices, whatever the given by using the determinant method. This is the 2 cross 2 matrix. Now one more example regarding 3 cross 3 matrix. Question number 7 of your exercise. 1, 2, 3, 0, 2, 4, 0, 0, 5. This is the 3 cross 3 matrix. Now order is 3 cross 3. First of all we have to check we can able to find the inverse or not. This is the determinant. Now for first row 1 is here. First row first column we have to close. 2 4 0 5 is here. So we have to write 2 4 0 5. Now first row second column is closed. 0 4 0 5 0 4 0 5 and common element is 2, so we have to write here 2 and common element 3 plus 3, we have to close this one 0 2 0 0 0 2 0 0. This is done and we can solve 5 2 ja 10 minus 0 4 ja 0 minus 2 0 5 ja 0 minus 0 4 ja 0 plus 3 0 0 0 minus 0 into 2 0. Now 1 into 10 minus 0 plus 3 sorry 0 3 into 0 is 0 10. This is not equal to 0. It means we can find the inverse. यहाँ लिखेंगे hence it is exist. Hence it is exist. And for exist, after that when this is the exist, find the cofactor of the matrices. Cofactor of the matrices. Matrix A. What is the given here? Now cofactor, this is the 3 cross 3 matrix. It means total A11 one cofactor. I have tried from here A11, A12 and A13. This is the for first row. This is the for first row. First row is the A11. It means minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 into M11. What will be the value of M11? We have to close first one, first column. This is the value 2405. 2 5 are 10 minus. Now I have to write here minus 1 to the power 2. It means 2405. Solve this one 1 and 10 minus 0. It means A11. The value of A11 is 10. Now what will be the value of A12 minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 into M12. Minus 1 to the power 2 minus 1 to the power 3 and the value of M12. First row and second column we have to close. First row and second column close 0 4 0 5. It means 0 4 0 5. The value of this one will be 0. And after that A13 is here minus 1 to the power 1 plus 3 M13. Now first row and third column we have to close 0 2 0 0. Now I have to write minus 1 to the power 4 0 2 0 0. Then we have to find out 0. Now A11, A12, A13 we have to find. After that we have to find the value of A. Another cofactor of the given matrices will be A21. A21 it means minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 M2. 21 it means second row and first column we have to close. What is the second row? This one. First column, this one. 2 3 0 5 will be left. Minus 1 to the power 3 2 3 0 5 will be left. Minus 1 to the power 3 it is minus 1 and 10 minus 0. 10 minus 0 it is minus 10. This is the A21. Now A22. Second row and second column we have to close. This is the second row and this is the second column. And 1 3 0 and 5 will be left. Minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 M22 it means minus 1 to the power 4. The value of this one will be 1305. Now minus 1 to the power 4 1. This is the 5 minus 0. It means 5. A23. Second row and third column minus 1 to the power 2 plus 3 M23. Minus 1 to the power 5. What is the value of second row and third column? This is the second row and this is the third column. 1 2 0 0 will be left. 1 2 0 0 will be left. Minus 1 to the power 5 minus 1 0 minus 0 means 0. This is the value of A21, A22 and A23. Now after that A31 is equal to minus 1 to the power 3 plus 1 M31 minus 1 to the power 4. The value of M31 is, it means 31 it means third row and first column 2 3 2 4. Now the value of this one is 2, 3 and 2, 4. 1 and 4 to ja 8 or 2 3 ja 6 minus 6 is equal to 2. Now this next one yum 3 to minus 1 to the power 3 plus 2 A32. This is the yum 3 2. Now A32 means third row and second column we have to close. 1 3 and 0 4 will be left. 1 3 minus 1 to the power 5. 1 3 0 4 will be left. Now minus 1 and this one is a 4 minus 0, it means minus 4. Now last one is the M33. Now M33 is equal to minus 1 to the power 3 plus 3. After that yum33 minus 1 to the power 6 and the value of yum33 is 1202. Third row and third column close 1202 will be left. It means 1 2 minus 0. This is the 2. This is all 9 cofactor of the 3 plus 3 element. Whatever the 3 into 3, 9. It means 9 cofactor is there. 9 cofactor. So we have tried here cofactor of matrix A is equal to all the value. Same order 10 0 0. 10 0 0. Next minus 10 5 0. Next 2 minus 4 and 2. This is the cofactor. Now what will be the adjoining? Adjoining of A is equal to transpose of cofactor of A. Transpose of cofactor of A, it means what will be the transpose value of the matrices. This one is 10 0 0 in R1, we have to write in C1. 10 0 0 minus 10 5 0 and after that 2 minus 4 and 2. This is the adjoint. Now what will be the value of A inverse? Now we know that formula is here. A inverse is equal to adjoint of A upon determinant of A. What is the value of determinant? 10. And what is the value of adjoint? Here this one. So we have tried 1 by 10 and adjoint is here 10 minus 10 2 0 5 minus 4 0 0 2. This is the A inverse. It means this is the value of A inverse which are finding the inverse of the given matrices by using the determinant method. Now in the matrices we also find the inverse. Same answer is there. Only use the matrix method, it means transformation method is there in matrix. But in determinant, this is the by using the cofactor method we have to find the inverse of the given matrices. This is a very important question is there. So you have to study and understand, be carefully. Thank you.